Hey everybody, I brought out a special video today. I think I may have videoed this car before, not sure. Same color, same engine. It's an exciting engine. It's an overhead cam 6. And it was a standard engine, standard equipment engine for the Lemans in this year, 1966. And I'm bringing this video out as a celebration of the 20th anniversary of YouTube. Now, I've been at YouTube here producing videos since August of 2007, so I've been around a while. I love that dash. It's the wood tone makes it look very deluxe. And we have automatic transmission and a console. Here's the insignia for the overhead cam. Now this is quite a development. Of course, Pontiac was not adverse to experimenting. Their 4-cylinder was half of the V8. Just chopped half one of the cylinder banks off, and that was a 4-cylinder. So this overhead cam had a belt-driven camshaft. I think it's alone in American cars at this point with overhead cam. Has air conditioning too. There it is, you can see. And if a 6-cylinder didn't do it for you, we have a 326, a 350, and a 400 V8 available. So you can see that obviously Pontiac was into making performance cars with all that decision room there. You could tailor them pretty much the way you wanted. I like that back window design too. Very nice effect. So, happy YouTube. 20 years. And I've almost been in 20 years.